Hello everybody. Today we'll be looking at the Craftsman 1655. Essentially what this machine is the Enov 3100J ODB scan tool. It's the exact same tool. If you look on the screen right here, you can see that the buttons match right up. It's the exact same thing. And it's the Enov tool. So this is the same thing. I got this at Princess Auto for $100 today. And when you plug it in, it'll install the USB drivers, but you won't get any communication and nothing happens. So I looked all over the internet to find a fix for it, and I couldn't. So what I ended up doing is I looked at the back of the machine, and it actually says that it's an Enov machine. So what I did is I went to the website, and I looked up for scan tools. So if you go into scan tools, I don't know if you can see this, you're going to go to ODB2 diagnostic tools. And then we're going to go to right here. We're going to select the 3100J. This tool here. 3100J Innova ODB ABS and SRS diagnostic tool. Okay. I would suggest that you download your manual. You select your language, English, French, Spanish. This is the quick reference guide. I would suggest you download that too. And then this is the repair solution that you're going to need to get your information from the PC to the diagnostic tool once you do a scan tool. Okay, you're going to download this tool. And then down here, it's going to say that it's downloading the information. Okay. Go ahead and open the file. Here on my under screen, you can see that it's open. Go ahead, say yes. Go ahead and go next. Okay, I've already installed the tool, so at this point here I'm not going to redo this, but at this point here you would do an install, a full install, because you're seeing this because I've already installed it. And the minute you run it, it's going to say that it's going to require a firmware. So go ahead and do the firmware. In this case, I'm going to say yes because I've already installed it. And I'm going to finish this there. But go ahead and do the firmware update. Do not unplug the machine. Make sure you put some good batteries in there. Like these are the alkaline plus power. Buy them at the dollar store for cheap. You're going to have to remove the back. You're going to need a little like a eyeglass screwdriver because the screw is really small, so you don't want to use a big screwdriver. These type of things here, they would definitely won't work. So that's how we fix that one. It comes with the USB cable and a data link cable for the car inside, and when you plug it in, once you do this, because if you do use the scan tool and you've stored vehicle information, by the time you do the erase or the firmware, everything that's on the scan tool will be gone. You'll have to go back to your vehicle and do a scan tool again. But to get the actual Enov and all the information about your vehicle, As you can see, I've added already 2 vehicles to my profile. This one here I haven't scanned yet. So we'll go here, and then we can see there, and then there's the diagnostic report. And then right below you can see the diagnostic report, and I can click on it. And here we go. We got a bunch of information about what's what and what's going on, and what has passed and what has failed. And then it also gives you a predicted cost of repairs and the year of the vehicle and all that. So anyways, that's that. By the way, when you open up this package, in between the sheet is going to be the user's guide. What you're going to do is we're going to go back to iNov or iNova, and you're going to download your manuals and that. I would definitely suggest that you install those, and when you download the real repair solution for PC, it will update your machine, and you will definitely get something different than what you already had out of the box. So once again, I strongly suggest that you download the manual for the iNova, because it is iNova. iNova. And that is the manual you should be using to use your tool. So anyways, the tool is actually pretty great. I find it really useful, especially in combination with the repair solutions. It's an unbeatable solution. Thank you very much, and enjoy the tool, and don't be fooled. I picked this up for $100 at Princess Auto. It was discontinued from Craftsman because that's Sears, and they're no longer in business. But trust me, this tool is the iNova 3100J. It's the same tool, and it will update your firmware to exactly that. And when you go into diagnostic repair and you register your tool, right there, you can put in that there. It should register automatically, and it'll give you 1 year of support for one vehicle. So make sure that you pick your newest vehicle. In this case here, that was this one here for me. Make sure you pick your newest vehicle and not your old one, and it'll give you 1 year support on it. Alright, so enjoy, people, and I hope this helps you out, because I looked all over the internet to get support for this tool. At first I was kind of fucking dead in the water. Oh, excuse my language. I was dead in the water. And this is what I came up with. And I did this on my own. I just took a blind shot at manuals in iNova. And I came up with this. And what ended up happening is I ended up looking at a higher model. It was like, because it didn't say it had SRS. I think it was like the 3150 with color screen, ABS SRS. Yeah, I think it was a 3150 ABS SRS. But it doesn't matter. When you download the repair solution, it'll be the same firmware update software, and it will update to the proper software firm that your device is using. So this is pretty much a generic style upgrade for this tool. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it helped you out. Thank you very much. Bye.